Hello? Yes, the viewers have spoken. When asked what food product should I do a video on, I'm gonna do Chiquita Banana. I'm gonna make two products using Chiquita Bananas. The first one I'm gonna be making is a vintage, unusual dish. I'm making a banana meatloaf. Come watch me. I need to start with one banana. I gotta mash it. I'm guessing this might take the place of the egg as a binder. Half teaspoon mustard powder. Mix that in there. I need a pound of ground beef. Add it in. A cup of breadcrumbs. A half teaspoon of paprika. A little salt. A little black pepper. A tablespoon of chopped onion. And then you combine it. This is going to get plopped into a baking dish and spread on the bottom. Bake it at 350 up to an hour. The Chiquita Company traces its roots back to 1899 when it was part of the United Fruit Company. And that was a merger of multiple fruit companies, including the Boston Fruit Company, all of which grew bananas in the Caribbean islands as well as Central and South America. Banana meatloaf. This recipe actually comes from 1952. Can you believe it? I kinda can. All right, let's see. It's not screaming banana, but I am noticing like a hidden sweetness in the background. But overall, it is a tasty meatloaf. And now the banana fun's gonna continue with an extremely simple dessert. I'm gonna make banana bark. You gotta see it. You need a tray with some wax paper on it. We're gonna be cutting 5 bananas onto that tray. I have a half cup of melted peanut butter that I'm going to drizzle and spread on top. I need a cup of chips and a teaspoon of coconut oil. I'm melting it at 30-second increments and stirring it in between. This will get drizzled on top and spread out as well. And sprinkle on a little salt. And then you're going to freeze it for 5 hours, up to overnight. The company launched various advertising campaigns, and it was in the 1940s when the very famous Miss Chiquita Banana and her jingle, Calypso jingle, came to be. Hello, amigo. I'm Chiquita Banana, and I'd like to say bananas have to ripen in a certain way, and when it flecks with brown and has a golden hue, bananas are the best, and they're the best for you. You can put them in a salad. You can put them in a pie. It don't matter how you eat them. It's impossible to beat them, but bananas like the climate of a very, very tropical equator. So you should never put bananas in the refrigerator. No, 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 no. I think that's all I can say about the Chiquita Banana Company, because they do have a bit of a sordid, controversial history, but I'll let you do the Googling. And here it is in frozen form. Now you could either cut it up with a knife or you could break it apart. Banana bark. It's wonderful. I love chocolate and peanut butter and banana. Elvis would approve of this banana bark. Thank you so much for watching and for taking part in choosing a food product. Make sure you check my community section. There will be another poll in the future. What do you call a monkey with a banana in each ear? Anything you want, it can't hear you.